In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save homes as favorites on Zillow and view your saved homes. If you're browsing for a new place, saving listings you love helps you keep everything organized and easy to compare later. We'll walk through signing in, searching for a property, saving it with the heart icon, and then viewing all your saved homes in one place. First, go to Zillow.com and sign in to your account. You do need to be logged in to save favorites and access them across sessions. If you don't see the sign-in prompt, look for the account option at the top right and confirm you're logged in before moving on. A quick check now prevents confusion later when a favorite doesn't appear. Next, use the search bar at the top to find the home you're interested in. You can type a full street address if you know it, or search by city, neighborhood, or zip code to explore options. Zillow will display results in both a map and a list view, and you can move around the map or refine your terms until you see the property you want. Give the page a moment to load all the photos and details so nothing is missing. When you find a promising home, save it by clicking the heart icon. You can do this directly on the property card in the results list, where a small heart appears in the corner. If you'd like more details first, click the property image or address to open the full listing, then select the heart near the top of the page. After you click, the heart should appear filled, indicating the property has been added to your saved homes. If you change your mind, clicking the heart again will remove it. To see all your favorited properties, open your saved homes. This option is available from your account area and is often represented by a heart icon at the top of the page. Inside Saved Homes, you'll find every listing you've favorited, usually with a list and a map, so you can review locations and compare details. From here, you can reopen a listing to check price changes, photos, and features. That's it. Sign in, search, tap the heart, and view your saved homes when you're ready to compare. Keeping your favorites in one place makes the home search more focused and far less stressful. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.